Men are very simple as creatures.
Yeah.
हैं?
हाँ, अगर वो बोल रहा है कि मैं कुछ और नहीं सोच रहा हूँ,
She's right, you know.
most probably वो कुछ और नहीं सोच रहा। Nikita, why are you single?
Soumya, why are you sounding like Seema auntie? I mean, it's like going to a doctor and saying कि डॉक्टर को कभी डायबिटीज नहीं हो सकती है.
Like what patterns have you had and how did you break your patterns?
All kind of patterns. If they are not making a plan, if they are not checking in with you, if they are not texting you, means they are not into you, girl.
So I came to a point and justified that why I was into bad boys, and I
Yeah.
used to listen to this song. All good boys go to hell.
But bad boys bring heaven to you. It's automatic.
Love is messy, and that goes for everyone. Nobody is immune to heartbreak. Does not matter if you play it safe or go all in love, or even if you are a relationship therapist. Don't people and friends say कि you तो know the cheat code ना? तो फिर क्या problem है?
What's stopping you?
Even though you might know the right steps to take and you might have all the knowledge, but it doesn't mean that if you know it, you'll be able to practice it. Sometimes it's difficult to practice what you preach.
Yeah.
And you will be the best supporter for your girlfriends, but when it comes to applying the same logic and reasoning to yourself, you miserably fail at it. So yeah, I think it's that kind of a situation.
For how many years have you been single?
It's been about 4 years.
4 years.
Yeah.
This is so true that you are the best advisor when it comes to the other person's problem, and when the tables turn and it is your problem, you forget about every advice that you gave to the third person, every rule, every lesson you have learned.
But that really brings out an interesting point, because the body and the brain also gets used to it at some point. Like I speak to so many people on a day-to-day basis, and they keep telling me they're all different people, but how is the same behavior coming up again and again? I think it takes a lot of mental bandwidth to break a pattern. Somewhere we are getting used to that dopamine hit, that excitement. Like if they leave you one message, let's say in 2 days, you get like super excited but really sad at the same time that why aren't they engaging more? Like why aren't they giving me more time? Because probably there are too many people giving him attention, right? But what if you go for someone who's like,
Somebody who's not your type.
yeah, someone who's not your type, like you may be surprised.
But you won't be attracted ना. Like first thing तो attraction ही होती है. Love at
Oh,
first
yeah,
sight
yeah.
नहीं होता.
Yeah.
Yeah.
But first sight पे attraction होता है.
I think it's very like, sorry, yeah, Kashi.
This is so me. This is so me.
Have you ever broken a pattern?
Yeah. तो मैंने एक तो क्लैरिटी फॉर्म करी. आई वॉज अलोन विद माई सेल्फ. आई काइंड आस्क्ड माई सेल्फ कि यार व्हाट डू आई वांट नाउ यार. सो उसके बाद आई फाइनली केम इनटू अ रिलेशनशिप गाइज.
But I'm sure that didn't happen overnight.
या उसके बाद छोटे मोटे एनकाउंटर्स हुए, बट एटलीस्ट उस टाइम तक आई वॉज रेडी दैट व्हाट आई वांटेड, सो आई काइंड ऑफ मूव्ड ऑन. आई नेवर made up my mind or came to this point कि how I want to be like treated.
Yeah.
तो मैं bare minimum पे settle हो रही थी. Never realized कि वो bare minimum कब rare minimum हो गया. ठीक है.
It's a sad story, but yeah, sorry for laughing.
Yeah, so उसके वो pattern भी break करा. It took me like 2 years to actually get out of a bad relationship. But if you see on the positive side, it was like a progress from emotionally unavailable men with no commitments to emotionally available men with some commitments. So I see that as a progress.
You never think of how you want to feel in a relationship. You'll always chase the whole superficial goal. Like, I want to get 6-pack abs. Similarly, in finding the kind of relationship that you want, you will have this very rosy picture that I just want to be with someone.
Yeah.
But how would you want to feel? Would you want to feel safe? Would you want to feel excited? Would you want to be spontaneous? So always try to understand what is that feeling that you want in a relationship. Once you get to the feeling, you'll have more clarity. And somewhere you did that and you took that break also.
Yeah, but then it took me like, as I told you, I need a pool of experiences to actually get somewhere. So मेरे लिए ultimate place है to know yourself now that I have come out of experiences.
Like, what patterns have you had, and how did you break your patterns?
All kind of patterns.
Yeah, tell.
Avoidant, emotionally unavailable, like narcissists, too full of themselves. And it's not about them, it's also been about me, right? Like it's not like tali haath se nahi bajti. I've also probably messed up a couple of times.
But how did you break it?
Yeah.
You change after every rejection, after every breakup.
Yeah.
And for me, it's always been a situation of I've just come back more stronger. You know, when you have a breakup, you feel that it's emotional, but it's not. It's freaking physical. You can't sleep. You stop eating. Like, it's freaking as physical can get. And majority of the people today are just getting super dejected by the rejections. And come on, like you will apply to 100 jobs, उसमें से शायद 2 reply करेंगे यार.
और अगर किसी ने नहीं करा तो बता cases.
तो कोई बात नहीं है, 2 और जॉब में अप्लाई कर दो, दूसरा लड़का देख लो, दूसरी लड़की देख लो. There are what 8 billion people in this world, यार. Like what's the
which
most
one?
embarrassing
Which one?
thing you've done for love?
Yeah, please. I want to know.
I think become a chalta firta embarrassment only. So many things.
Something.
Once picked up a guitar because I was into this musician at one point. Learned Spanish because someone was from Spain. It's different that I never ended up going to Spain.
Yeah.
I'm a little delulu that way.
One thing I've done in life, I've never read between the lines when it comes to a man. Men are very simple as creatures.
Yeah.
हैं?
हाँ, अगर वो बोल रहा है कि मैं कुछ और नहीं सोच रहा हूँ,
She's right, you know.
most probably वो कुछ और नहीं सोच रहा है.
If we look at dating, for example, right? If they are not making a plan, if they are not checking in with you, if they are not texting you, means they are not into you. Girl, kind of move on now. Like, this is it. Take it as a message.
Yeah,
Like, if he was, he would tell you.
Exactly. Sometimes, like, all girls are guilty of it. Oh, he liked my story, that means he likes me. If
but-
he liked you, he would text you. If he is not texting you, he doesn't like you. They are very directional. If you want something from a guy, don't think कि मैं उसको ऐसे signals दूंगी और वो समझ जाएगा. या I'm upset or I've been
Yeah.
going through a heartbreak. मैं इसको 10 दिन रिप्लाई नहीं करूंगी तो ये समझ जाएगा शी इज लाइक, या फिर मैं इसको बहुत कोल्ड रिप्लाईज करूंगी तो उसको समझ पाएगा नहीं, वो खुश हो जाएगा भाई कि ये तो सही चल रही है, कलेश भी नहीं कर रही, 1 वर्ड रिप्लाई कर रही है, क्या बढ़िया जिंदगी है.
Guy will never change his habits and stuff like that. If a girl is in love, she would want to change everything and
Yeah.
do things that a guy would love. Why is that?
You know, it's very true that you would not chill with the same friends that you were chilling with. You would not listen to the same music you were listening to.
Yeah.
You would probably not even look what you were looking like before you got into the relationship. If that's happening, it's a signal of the fact that you can't be your authentic self, right? Then, girl, like, you need to look at yourself in the mirror and have this conversation.
Sometimes I think even when you're dating a red flag, you kind of know you're dating a red flag. It's the attachment.
Oh yeah, for sure.
You at times know that you're down deep in that hole, but it's very hard to get out of it.
So I came to a point and justified that why I was into Bad Boys, and I
Yeah.
used to listen to this song. I'll tell you. So the lyrics
Sing
were.
it, girl, sing it.
So the lyrics were, all good boys go to heaven and bad boys bring heaven to you. To Bad
Damn, you
Boys.
gotta stop listening to that kind of music.
So I stopped. Yeah.
It's so surprising because so many of my friends have struggled with this for years. And I keep checking in with them again and again that, like, what's happening? They know this is not the right space they want to be in. But something huge needs to happen for you to, like, really face the reality, because I think somewhere you're in denial. There is absolute denial about what the reality is. And whatever the other person says, whatever your friends say, whatever your parents say, you will not listen to them. And it's backfired so many times.
I have lost friendships because I took a stand. I was like, if you won't take a stand, I would take a stand as a friend, and I'll tell you exactly how I feel. And trust me, sometimes these people don't want to hear it.
They don't.
yeah,
They're
they
too
don't.
blinded. Sorry. I mean, like. No.
कि तो आप बताओ, have you isolated yourself like some?
Yes, I have, and you question yourself sometimes, like, how could you do this to yourself? Like, if you are supposed to be your own best friend, I will never treat my best friend like that. How can you treat yourself like that? Like, come on. There could be a full-fledged support group that you would have, but because you're so blinded and so in love, like, you will not listen to what others have to say. It all comes down to what is the turning point for you. And I think for women, they reach that flip.
Yeah.
Once the switch has been turned off, like, it's very difficult to turn that switch on again or come back through that door. I think we need to realize that we're all flawed in our own ways.
Yeah.
Like, no one has got this all figured out. But
Can't
what are we
happen.
seeing on social media? It's like so messed up that the most beautiful wedding and the most picturesque vacation they're going for, and the most beautiful pre-wedding shoot, and they have the sweetest kid. So I think after all the narratives that we have kind of shared today, we've realized that we have been that friend who doesn't listen to people when they say that, girl, you're going for the wrong person. We need to realize that relationships they're beautiful, love is beautiful, but at the same time there has to be like some stability and logic that we kind of bring to the relationship that we want to build with someone. Those are things that you need to kind of think about. Sometimes take that leap of faith. Love someone unconditionally. Drop those fears. What if you didn't have those fears? Would you love that person the same way without the fears? You would be a different person altogether if you didn't have those fears. So kind of just break out of those narratives that you have held on to so strongly, and see that this can be a nice feeling to have, but have your wits together while you're doing that, and have your girlfriends together because I think our girlfriends know best, and they know the kind of person that we are, and they will always kind of be the best cheerleaders. So talk it out with them and follow what they're saying. Yeah, so we want to kind of end on that note. And Kashish, you want to add to that?
Yeah, just follow your heart. Just follow your heart. So, yay! So if you enjoyed the video, don't forget to hit subscribe, like the video, share with your friends, and let us know your weird things you have done for it, guys, in the comment section. Bye!